Morning everyone. It is Saturday, so it is time to check out another Sydney parkrun. Today I've made the very early journey down to Menai Parkrun. This was a comment left by one of the viewers of last week's video, so I've taken your recommendation and I'm down here to check it out today, so looking forward to it. The weather this week has been absolutely terrible. It's been raining all week, but I'll tell you what, the weather this morning is absolutely perfect and I'm definitely keen for another parkrun, so let's go check it out. Now, before we get too far into the parkrun, I do just want to let you know this whole Sydney Parkrun challenge has reached the next level. I now have an Excel spreadsheet to track everything. That's right, we've hit the big leagues. And no, I know what you're thinking, this was created by AI and you didn't even make it yourself. Well, you'd be exactly right. But I am a man of the people and I want you to tell me where to go to next. So the first person to comment with any Sydney parkrun that I have not made a video about yet will be my next Sydney Parkrun challenge video. With great power comes great responsibility. Please just let me sleep in. Let's start with getting there, because no parkrun review is complete without a section where someone describes how to use a roundabout. The best way to get to Menai Parkrun is by car. You're coming from Sydney, it's a Saturday morning, and you need to be at a specific park by 8 AM. The car wins, and it's not even close. The good news is there is ample parking. The official website actually uses the word ample, which is parkrun speak for you will not spend 20 minutes doing laps of a car park in your activewear while questioning your life choices. That alone earns this event significant goodwill. For those without a car, there is a public transport option. The 9-6 bus will get you there, and I respect the commitment. You've set an alarm, checked the Transport New South Wales app, stood at a bus stop before 8 AM on a Saturday in activewear while everyone else on the bus is going to Bunnings. That level of dedication to parkrun should come with its own finish token. The 960 takes about 35 minutes from the city, which means you've essentially added a warm-up and a cool-down commute on both sides of your 5K. Very efficient. The course is a 5K. Obviously, they're all 5K. That's sort of parkrun's whole thing. Run mostly on paved path. The only trails are at the start and the end of the course. No mud traps, no surprise tree roots. Excellent news for your ankles and your post-run excuse inventory. It's a 2-lap out and back course. You do a lap of Parc Menai, head out along a walking track towards Menai Rd, cross an overpass, hook back onto a bike path and make a turnaround near Carter Road before heading home. What this means in practice is that you will pass other runners coming the other way. Multiple times, which has earned Menai Parkrun the official nickname of High Five Central. The course practically demands it. There's a brief moment of human connection that feels genuinely lovely and also slightly exhausting when you're on kilometre 4 and your arms are very tired. Dogs are welcome on a short lead. Prams are welcome. You just can't do both simultaneously, which seems reasonable and also like a very specific warning that suggests that someone once tried. Menai Parkrun has the feel of a well-run local event that's been going on long enough to have its regulars, its traditions, and its volunteers who actually know what they're doing. The marshalling is solid, the finish line process is smooth, and nobody's losing your barcode scan. Speaking of barcodes, make sure you bring yours. The policy is no barcode, no results, and they mean it. Print it, have it on your phone, whatever works, but you need it. Forget it once and you'll spend the week sulking at the results page when your name isn't there. We've all been there. So Menai Parkrun, is it worth getting out of bed for? If you're in the Sutherland Shire or anywhere within 30 minutes, Georges River, Cronulla, Hurstville, that general direction, then yes, absolutely. It's a well-organised, friendly 5k on a paved course in a park with a Welsh dragon on the ground. It starts at 8 AM, ends with coffee, and costs you nothing except the willingness to set an alarm on Saturday. Get there by car or commit to the 960 bus experience and earn yourself a story. If you're further afield, inner west, north shore, anywhere that involves the words cross the bridge, then honestly, probably not. Not because Menai isn't good, but because there will be a parkrun closer to you, and the whole point of parkrun is that it's your local Saturday morning ritual, not a pilgrimage. Do your local one, do it consistently, feel smug about it. Unless you're chasing a new course for your parkrun tourism collection, in which case, yes, make the trip. "5 kilometers, 8 in the morning, free. Make sure you bring your barcode. See you out there." That was Menai Parkrun. Thank you very much for the suggestion. It was a bit of an early start this morning. Got up at about 5:30 to get ready and get down here, but well worth the effort once I got down. My watch was a little bit short. It only clocked up about 4.85 kilometers. So I'm not sure if that's everyone else's experience or my watch was just playing up today. So a little bit of a short course, but despite that, it was a super good course, really friendly community, had a great time, and thank you very much for the suggestion. If you want me to head to your local parkrun or a parkrun that I haven't been to in Sydney yet, make sure you drop a comment below. I will be going to whoever comments first with a parkrun that I haven't been to yet. So you tell me where I'm going next. Next weekend, I will be in Queensland and I will be doing a parkrun review back there. I'm heading home for my brother's wedding, but the weekend after that, I'll be back in Sydney, and whoever comments first on this video below is where I head to next. So make sure you hit subscribe. We've got plenty more Sydney parkruns to go in this journey. So the journey is just getting started, but for now, have a great week and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.